Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We're out here in Oak Grove. We are very close to completion of our 4-step full scope foundation repair for the back wall of this home. As you know, with these projects, the 4 major scopes of work that we are performing here is straightening the wall. As you know, if you've seen any of our videos, to do that we have to excavate all the way down to the footing to relieve all that pressure that was causing the wall to move inward in the first place. And then, as you can see here, with our angle iron 6x6 treated wood support post, bottle jack, we just slowly are able to crank that wall back to vertical. So once the wall is straightened, on this particular house we had 7 King Pier 2s we were installing under the footing. So we not only straighten the wall back to vertical, but we raise the footing that the wall is set upon back to its correct level elevation. And then we do a combination of epoxy injection and a final coat of polyurethane to the accessible cracks. And then, as you can see, the wall braces are installed to ensure the wall remains vertical. So speaking with the homeowner here earlier this morning, even just the act of how we secure these wall braces into the wall, and you can see we come out a nice distance to ensure that these wall braces are not moving. They could even tell how much more stable the floor was just in this general area. And even on the north side where no work is being done, they saw some more stabilization. So it's very cool when you really think about how much you can affect a home by just simply manipulating a footing back to level. So, I mean, there's a lot that you can fix and remedy by making sure that your footing is level, and obviously when a leaning wall is pushed back vertical. So this is as secure as we can get this wall. It's not going anywhere. We have 10 H-beam wall braces alongside this entire wall. Very long stretch for this type of project. Typically, these smaller basement walls are about half the length of this one, so we covered a great deal of distance on this one to get it remedied back to where it needs to go. So we'll be finishing up the crack repair here momentarily. Tomorrow we're going to come back, seal the accessible floor cracks. They have a lot of stuff that they're going to move. Once the initial floor cracks are sealed, they're going to move everything back against the wall, and then we will come back and seal the rest of the cracks that have been exposed. But as far as the major project, which was the 4-step repair on this back foundation wall, we should have everything done here, if not tomorrow afternoon, then by Friday. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on YouTube and Facebook if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always check us out on YouTube. Again, YouTube and Facebook, King Piers LLC. And then you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.